Hello guys, welcome to Multi Info channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to make your Gmail account in less than 2 minutes. First, click the link in the description and you will be redirected to this website. On this website you have to fill in your information like your first name, your last name and your username for your Gmail ID. And then type in your password and confirm it in the tab in front, and then click the next button. Now if you are facing this problem that your username is already taken, the simple fix of it is click on next button and click on the available suggestion that is already given by Google. Click on it and click on the next button. Now type in your phone number. Click the next button. Now you have to enter the verification code that you have received on your phone number via SMS. Click on verify. Now you have to type in your birthday and your gender, else everything is optional. Click next. Now you can skip this one. Click on the skip button. Now scroll down and click on I agree. You have successfully created your Google account. Now click on the Gmail icon to go to your Gmail account. Now you are on your Gmail account. Click the next button, click OK, and here's your first email from Google community. Thanks for watching and make sure you do subscribe and like the video.